We are there, and I said that one thing that every Nigerian must acknowledge is that the High Chief was pivotal to the development of private media ownership in our country. And there is no democracy that can thrive without that kind of ownership of the media, because of the level of independence that you need for media to be purveyors of the governance of society. So we definitely, as a country, would miss this kind of a figure for the kind of legacy of institution building that AIT and the family within the media space represents. So I also come as founder of Fix Politics and the SPPG. The support that AIT has given to our innovation, it's been spectacular. And so we really come with words of comfort and condolences to your family. God bless you all. I think that any Nigerian would say that he was very pivotal to the development of media ownership in our country, and that legacy will stand for him. The fact that our democracy needed strong institutions of the media, especially reasonably independent media in those days, in those early days of the AIT family, the Ray Radio and all of that, it really brought it was part of very interesting moments in our country post-military era. So I believe that this is a legacy that will have to continue to thrive, and may God comfort the family of High Chief Raymond Dokpesi.
Okay. Your Excellency, can you put to words your feelings when you heard of the demise of Raymond Dokpesi?
Actually was shocked, I was very shocked. He's someone who has been quite helpful when we've had to do things around the Fix Politics initiative, things that have to do with the School of Politics, Policy and Governance, and we needed media to, be there. He would make sure that AIT would be there. He was quite very helpful in things that had to do with advancing the issues of public the awareness, public literacy, political literacy, and that was quite appreciated.